Good morning friends. Now I am going to explain about string functions. In before class we explained about four different types of string functions. First one is string length, second one string copy, third one string comparison, and fourth one is string reverse. So we have to discuss about each and every function with some sample program. The first one is string length. So in string length we have to calculate the length of the string. Here the length of the string means how many number of characters in the given string. So in string length calculation we have to calculate number of characters in the given string. So this is the program for that. The first instruction is #include stdio.h. That is the header file. When we are writing either printf or scanf functions, we have to use this header file. So in program we are using printf function. So I am writing this header file. The next one is int main. So program execution will be start with main function. Here the return type is integer. So this main function have to return some integer value. That's why I am writing return 0. Next, char s is equal to programming is fun. So here programming is fun is the string. Why? Because we are representing in between double quotes. So programming is fun is the string. I am assigning this string with the assignment operator to array s. So s is array. So I am assigning this string to array s. Here the array data type is character. Why? Because we have to store this string in the array. Array is string is collection of characters. String is collection of characters. So we have to store this collection of characters, that is string, in array. So array should be character data type. Why? Because string is collection of characters. Next, int I am taking one variable I which is integer data type. I am using this variable I to store the number of characters in the given string. Next, I am writing for loop. For I equal 0, s of I not equal /0 plus I. So here I am writing for loop. First I equal to 0. Next, I am checking the condition. S of I not equal to null. /0 means null. S of I equal to 0. So s of 0. S of 0 means in the array s first character. S of 0 means in array first character. So s of 0 is p. So p not equal to null. Condition true. Here when we are writing the semicolon with the for loop, that means even though condition is true, there is nothing for the execution. So s of 0 not equal to null, that is p not equal to null, condition true, but nothing to execution. So next automatically plus I increment operation. So I is equal 1. I value will be incremented to 1. Now s of 1 not equal to null. S of 1 means R. S of 1 means R. So R not equal to null. Condition true. Nothing to execution. Next plus I. Now I equal to 2. S of 2 not equal to null. S of 2 means O. O not equal to null. Condition true. I plus. I equal to 3. S of 3 not equal to null. S of 3 means G. G not equal to null. Condition true. I plus. Now I equal to 4. Next, S of 4. S of 5. S of 6. S of 7. S of 8. S of 9. S of 10. S of 11 is space. S of 11 is space. S of 12. S of 13. S of 14. Next, S of 15 is space. Space is not null. Space is not null. Space is one character and null is a different character. So S of 15 is space. Next, S of 16 is F. S of 17 is U. S of 18 is N. So at finally we reach to I value 18. S of 18 that equal null. Null not equal to null. Condition is false. and finally we are reaching to I value 18. S of 18 is null. Then null not equal to null, condition false, where comes out of the for loop. Now I value is 18. So we have to print length of the string is %d comma I. I value is 18. So length of the string is 18. We are getting the output. Length of the string is 18. We are getting the output. So just to calculate the length of the string, what we are doing is S of 0 is null or not, we are checking. S of 1 is null or not, we are checking. S of 2, S of 3, S of 4, S of 5, S of 6, S of 7, S of 8, S of 9, S of 10. S of 11 is space, S of 12, S of 13, S of 14 is space, S of 15, S of 16, S of 17. Till S of 17 we are having characters, not null. At 18 only we are getting null character. So S of 18 not equal to null, null not equal to null, condition false, we are getting out of the for loop. Now I equal to 18, so we are printing the value of 18 as length of the string. That means total 18 characters in the given string. Next one is program to copy string. So in copy, just we have to copy the string from one array to another array. So we are taking two arrays. In one array we are placing one string. We have to copy that string to second array. So string copy. String copy means we have to copy the string from one array to another array. So hash include stdio.h into main. Okay, that's good. Next, char s1 size is 100. So s1 is one array with the size 100, and s2 is also another array with the size 100. Both are char data type. So I am taking two arrays, s1 and s2. I am taking two arrays, s1, s2, to copy the string from one array to another array. I am taking another variable I, which is also char data type. Next, I am asking enter string 1. I am asking enter string 1. Then automatically we have to enter one string. So to read that string, I am using gets function. No need of fgets. So gets function. To read that string, we are using gets function. No need of fgets. To read the string, I am using gets function. So gets is the function to read the string as input. So when we are using this gets function, we have to write header file, that is hash include string.h. We have to write header file string.h. So we have to write the header file string.h. Why? Because we are using the predefined function gets. So automatically this gets function will read the string and store that strings in this array s1. So s1 is array. S1 is array, char data type. So entered string will read by this gets function, and that string will be stored in array s1. First character in s1 of 0, second character in s1 of 1, third character in s1 of 2, and so on. So in s1 it is having some string. So we have to copy that string from s1 to s2. We have to copy the string from s1 to s2. For doing that, I am writing the for loop. So for I equal to 0, s1 of I, in array s1 we are storing the entered string, input string. So s1 of I equal to 0. So s1 of 0, that means first character. If the first character is not equal to null, then we have to copy that first character from s1 of 0 to s2 of 0, because I equal to 0. So s1 of 0. So in s1 it is having entered string. So I am copying the string first character, because s1 of I equal to 0, s1 of 0. I am copying the first character from array s1 to array s2. Next, for loop repeating plus I equal to 1. If s1 of I not equal to null, if s1 of I not equal to null, I'm copying that second character from s1 of 1 to s2 of 1. Next, I plus plus I equal to 2. If s1 of 2 is not equal to null, I am copying the third character from s1 of 2 to s2 of 2. And like I am copying character by character from array 1 to array 2. And finally, when we copied total string from s1 to s2, we are getting null character here. And finally, we are getting null character. If null not equal to null, condition false, we are getting out of the for loop. So till now, total string from s1 is copied to s2. But in s2 we are not placing null character. So we have to place null character also at end of the string in array s2 also. So s2 of I value will be continued. So s2 of I is null. So I am storing null character in array s2. Then total string is copied from s2 s2. In s2 string is having entered string is copied to s2, and I am placing null character at end of the string in array s2. Now just we have to print that character. So printf string 2, that is string s2 equal, we have to print the string, so percentage s, string s2 equal percentage s comma s2. So s2 is array. In this array it is having some string. We are printing that string at the position of string specified percentage s. So string 2 equal, we are printing the entered string. So this is the output. Enter string, first we are asking enter string. If I am entered this hey follow programmer, that hey follow programmer will be copied into s2 here by using for loop. The total string will be copied to s2. So string 2 is hey follow programmer. So that is copied. Thank you.